guys.
Good morning, everyone. This is early morning here, Philippines, near Biyaya, digging to get out the cassava. We have many cassava on this land. It's very hard soil. This may be not the standard way to harvest cassava, but we have a big tool, but usually there's so many stones and rocks. Usually we just damage the roots, the cassava roots. So Gigi, she just decided to use a little purok. It's coming.
I'm coming.
It's like a baby, you know. Oh, it broke. It's okay. It's a nice one. Yeah, it's a nice, pretty good one. Half a kilo. So this is the morning harvest. Okay, maybe 3 kilo. And we're going to cook it, clean them, cook them, and well, we just wouldn't enjoy them. All right. This is phase 2, the cleaning of the cassava. This is a big job, eh? And there is a special way to do it. I'm learning. So you have to have a, you don't want the other knife. Okay, so you have to.
Oh my goodness, it's dangerous.
Yeah, you want the other knife?
No, it's a little bit dangerous.
Would you like the other knife here? No? Okay.
I cut my hand.
You did already? She said you skin the whole thing. Yeah. It's a good food actually, you know, it's not very rich, it's calorie dense in a way. It's a starch.
There's no calorie in cassava.
I don't know where you got that, dear. But since it is, it's not very...
I thought calorie is a sweet, so this is not sweet.
Calorie comes from anything starchy. Starches, potatoes, sweet potatoes, any potatoes,
Yeah,
rice,
sweet potatoes
carbohydrate. This is a carb.
Sweet, so it's calorie.
Oh, this is also sweet.
It's not sweet.
Well, you don't count it sweet.
This is sweetless.
I think this is pretty sweet.
No.
If you compare that to a cabbage, it's sweet.
No, of course not.
Anyway, it's a carbohydrate.
This is called kagis. Kagis. Kagisan.
Yeah, whatever you call it, it's still a carbohydrate, classified as a carbohydrate. And it's a starch, very starchy food. We make flour as a thickener. And it's pretty calorie dense, you know, has a lot of calories. Probably 3 or 4 calorie per gram.
Turn up this. Hilaw pa, gahi.
Hilaw pa gahi, which means?
Not cooked yet. Kay walay bugas, so magbulangoy ta. Actually, na ako'y bugas, pero wala ko'y sudan. So maglamoy-lamoy tag bulanghoy or bingala. Dan. Luto na siya. Let's eat, everyone. Let's eat.